Hey there, so ready to dive into something amazing today. I'm gonna show you how you can use a powerful AI from Google can help turn amazing research into a polished first draft of a script or even full slide of deck in a fraction of time. So this is a notebook LM and it's game changer in an AI field and for any kind of creative process and workflow you're up to right now. So I'm gonna show you everything step by step. So you won't wanna miss this out. Make sure to stick around till the end because I got some mind-blowing tips for you today to share. So if you feel like, so what exactly Google Notebook LM is? At its heart, Notebook LM is an AI-powered research and writing assistant. But here is what makes it so much different. Unlike other AI chatbots that pull from the whole internet, Notebook LM works primarily with the sources of you give it. So this is a huge deal. It's designed to be your personal collaborator that helps you make sense of your own material. And you can feed it with Google Documents, PDF, and text you paste in literally. So recent updates have solo added to support for public YouTube videos links, which the tool automatically transcribes and analyzes for you. This means you can build a central vein for any project, whatever your YouTube scripting video, write, or drafting an article, or a student working on a piece of paper, basically. And now, because it's grounded in your sources, it's designed to dramatically reduce the risk of AI, kind of thing. When the AI just makes stuff, many of the claims or summaries in generates come with a little number of you can click to see exact passage from your source material. So this lets the instantly check its work and build the trust and the output offshore. So however, it's not perfect yet. You should always use the facts checked with AI. It can still sometimes misunderstand complex ideas or generalize completely too much thing at the same time. And the seriously powerful partner that does the heavy lifting of organization and initial drafting. And the best way to get it done to see in action. So you can pretend to ask for a YouTube video and write just a script. So you get the detailed PDF report or a couple of online articles, the transcript from an expert interview. So first, you have to create a new notebook on a call it a vertical framing project. And now you can add your sources and you can just upload any kind of PDF, paste in the text and articles. As soon as you edit, a notebook LM starts processing everything and gonna give you a quick summary of the document each time. So it's gonna be clean, organized, and in one space. And now you have to, instead of rereading everything, you can just start asking questions like, what are the top three benefits of this kind of thing, vertical framing mentioned in those sources? So the second thing, you get it clear, like bulleted list. You can just ask to summarize, like for instance, like increase crop things, like reduce water consumption in my theme that I mentioned. So the third thing, you can just ask for like a year-round production by controlling theme and any kind of analytic in this theme that I mentioned earlier. So the analytic and the sources are done. So you're gonna see these little numbers show up if it's gonna generate it. So if you click just one to try it out, it's gonna show you the exact code for source that backs up the claim. So it's an awesome trust building feature. Okay, next step, you can ask the structure this for your video, and you can just type in like prompt like based on these benefits, like please generate me an outline for 5 minutes YouTube video script. Like use the script, and this AI comes back with a full outline, complete hook for an intro, section, each key point, and conclusion. And it might look something like it's gonna write you an intro hook where the viewers with a surprising start with your thing. So you're gonna get the section 1, 2, and it's gonna be more detailed, and I'm sure you're gonna go and edit them as well. And you can just ask for it and regenerate it anytime in this theme, or you can give more details to get more rich kind of thing. So even if you ask for a conclusion, you can wrap up the key points and share final thoughts on the future farming. And from a messy pile of files to structure video outline. It's under just 5 minutes, and this is where you start to feel like you have superpowers. And it's not about replacing you, it's about collapsing the most boring parts of the process, and it's easy to use and see how it comes out, and saves you a lot of time and effort. And if your brain is already buzzing with these ideas for how this could change your workflow, make sure you subscribe for more deep dives into creative AI tools. And we are always exploring tech and creative workflows, so stay till the end. So wait, but what about the visual content? This is where some things get really interesting. Through some of the features are still experimental and not available everyone yet. And just let's go back to our vertical framing project. So in some version, you can ask NotebookLM to generate a slide deck based on my sources. It will take the key themes like water saving, yield increases, environmental benefits, or any kind of thing. What it gives you is a fantastic starting point, and you get the file with very organized slides and crop it with titles, bullet points. It's not finished design, but it gives you a huge head start by handling the content structure, so letting you focus on the visual things, which is the key. And the same idea applies to infographic things. You can ask to visualize the key data from your research, and the result might be a clean, shareable summary highlighting stats like according to sources, some system like 95% less water. And you can edit it directly in the tool, but you can use it as a solid foundation for a final design and regenerate it again. So these features are turning NotebookLM from just a research assistant into a true creative partner, which can help you draft the words and verbalize the concept and the visualize data. And we're gonna invite in entering a new chapter where AI can be a genuine collaborator in a creative workflow. So tools like Google Notebook LM aren't here to take your jobs. They are here to take the boring parts of our job, to endless sorting and the manual summarizing and the painful organizing. And by handling the heavy lifting of research, it frees us to do what we do the best, to come up with the great ideas, create and tell stories, but connect with people at the same time. So it turns your personal library of knowledge into an expert you can talk to, whether you're a student, a writer, a marketer, a designer, a filmmaker, going from a math sources to a script outline and an audio summary in minutes like legitimate game changer. It's all about working smarter and spending more of your time and money and saving it. And if you want to see NotebookLM stack up against other AI writing and research tools, be sure to watch another video and check it out this. And thanks for watching and see you next time.